before we start, I want to do something na a very special thing that we miss to do
Yeah.
before.
Ay.
So now is the right time since we are complete today. This is the right time to do it. Okay?
Yeah.
This one, gusto kong i-dedicate ang time na to para sa kanya. And I want you to guess sino yung tinutukoy ko.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, describe. Describe.
I will describe her, okay? She is pretty. Who do you think she is?
Mommy.
Second clue. She's wearing blue. Next clue. She is rich.
Mari.
Okay. Now, may I request everyone to please sing Happy Birthday. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Marich! Happy birthday, Marich! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Marich!
Happy 50th birthday. So, sana magustuhan mo yung mga munting handog namin sa iyo.
Ito ang unang gift. Yung gift ko lang.
Marriage.
Yay!
Next.
Random.
Ati kang trip to Australia dito. Promise yan.
Madi. Open.
So, bigay mo daw.
Alaska.
Salad.
Pineapple chunk ka datang ini. Mo kanto. Pineapple chunk.
Oh, tabi.
Fruit cocktail.
Pagluto lang pala eh.
Okay.
Buksan mo.
Kompleto. Fruit salad.
Fruit salad. Nisha.
Ano ang gagawin ni Maritz? Sino makakahula sa gagawin ni Maritz?
Fruit salad! Buko gandun!
Now,
Hindi niya magagawa ang
buko salad.
Condensed milk!
kung walang
Tupperware.
ano to? Sino makaka-guess nito?
Tupperware!
Sit down. Say. Dapat ay lalagyan. Sit down, Say.
Puto gua do kurok niya bitis ng anak ko lang ko ne.
Yay! Tupperware! So
Here, boy.
what's inside the Tupperware?
Baso!
Baso tsara.
Ref yan. Para i-ref mo yung fruit salad.
Mini ref. Ako plus!
Kaya baso.
Sino
Baso.
Ako plus!
Can over.
Ang dami na
Nisha, po tayo tarasan di mas.
Box inside the box inside the box.
Yung bitis ng kobe ne, binakoy ko ko.
Inside the box.
And then there's another box and another after.
Ay, kainit.
What's that?
Another box!
Ah!
Wow!
I wanted another box.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, message!
Happy birthday!
Thank you kay Clayton celebration natin.
Wow! Napakaangas!
That is from all of us.
Oh. Pa.
Kakonti lang.